The 2026 MV Agusta Superveloce 1000 Ago is an ultra-exclusive Italian superbike built by MV Agusta. This limited edition model pays tribute to legendary racer Giacomo Agostini and combines retro racing design with cutting-edge superbike performance. It is not just a motorcycle, it's a collector's masterpiece. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Superveloce 1000 Ago is a high-performance 998 cubic centimeters inline-four engine. Key engine specs. Power, 208 horsepower at 13,000 revolutions per minute. Torque, 116. 5 Newton-meters at 11,000 revolutions per minute. Top speed, 300 plus km/h. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox with quickshifter. This engine uses advanced internals like titanium components and high revving capability up to around 14,000 revolutions per minute, delivering extreme performance with smooth power delivery. Exclusive design and heritage. The Superveloce 1000 Ago is inspired by classic MV Agusta race bikes, especially those ridden by Agostini. Design highlights. Full carbon fiber bodywork. Retro racing styling with modern aerodynamics. Signature quad-exit organ pipe exhaust, acropobic. Special livery inspired by Agostini's race bikes. Backhand index pointing right. Only 83 units are produced worldwide, matching Agostini's iconic legacy, making it extremely rare and collectible. Chassis and suspension. The bike is built using premium racing components. Suspension setup. Front, Öhlins NAXEC 43mm electronically adjustable forks. Rear, Öhlins TTX electronic monoshock. Electronic steering damper. Frame. Steel tubular trellis with aluminum side plates. Single-sided swing arm. This setup delivers race-level handling, stability, and precision control. Brakes and safety. The braking system is top-tier, designed for extreme performance. Brakes. Dual 320mm front discs with Brembo Stylema calipers. Rear 220mm disc. Cornering ABS with rear lift mitigation. These components ensure powerful and controlled braking at high speeds. Technology and electronics. The 2026 Superveloce 1000 Ago is packed with advanced electronics. Key features include 5-inch TFT display with connectivity. Riding modes: rain, sport, race, custom. 8-level traction control. Wheelie control and launch control. Ride-by-wire throttle. GPS plus MV Ride app integration. These systems allow riders to fully customize performance and riding behavior. Dimensions and weight. Dry weight, almost equals 209 kg. Fuel tank, 16 liters. Seat height, almost equals 845 mm. Despite its superbike power, the bike remains relatively lightweight due to carbon fiber and premium materials. White heavy check mark summary. The 2026 MV Agusta Superveloce 1000 Ago offers 208 horsepower inline-four engine, carbon fiber construction and retro race design, Öhlins electronic suspension, advanced electronics with IMU, ultra-limited production, 83 units. Backhand index pointing right. It's one of the most beautiful and exclusive motorcycles ever made, combining Italian design, racing heritage, and extreme performance.